What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to use Canva for Printify, or in other words how to make a design from Canva or on Canva and import it to Printify to make it or to put it on a product to print on demand. So Printify is a print on demand platform that offers many products that you can choose from, and once you add your design to a certain product to be printed on this product, Printify, once you get an order on your Printify store, Printify will print your design on this product and ship it to the client. So for example, if you go to printify.com, you can see like sample products, and once you hover over any of them, you can see this dotted area indicates where your design will be. So if you want to design like a towel, for example, or a blanket, pants, t-shirts, mugs, and so much more. So let's say we want to design a shirt. So if you go to catalog, we can see all the available products. In men's clothing, for example, you can view t-shirts, and here you can also like filter them by market, color, branding, and so on. So once you hover over any of the products, you'll see where your design will be on. So let's go on Canva to design a design for t-shirt, or like a create a t-shirt design. So if you go to Canva and sign in, of course, with your account and search for t-shirt, for example, you can see here many templates, many ready-made templates that you can use to print on your t-shirt or on clothing like t-shirts, hoodies, and so on. However, we do not want to like use a ready-made one. We want to create our very own unique design. So in order to do so, let's go ahead and create a design. Go ahead and create a design. Or simply, you can just use a template from these templates and like delete the elements and add your own. So that's what I'm going to do in this video. So let's select this one. This is a pretty simple design. Okay, customize this template. And once the editor loads up, you can click on any element to delete it. Just click on delete or on the bin icon right here. So delete all these items. Okay, all the text and everything, and delete also the background. So this is a transparent background, since you can see this background color is giving like all the colors right here. So let's add a design. Let's say we want to design a t-shirt for like sports or like gym. So let's go to elements first and like search for like a dumbbell design. Okay, we wanna search in graphics because we are printing it for a t-shirt. So let's say, okay, I like this one. So all you want to do is just drag and drop the element, and here you can edit the rotation, the size, and so on. So let's go ahead and add it, and we want to add like let's see if we type in gym, what designs should we get? Okay, I like this one, the muscular pose or the double bicep pose. Okay, let's make it a bit larger. And let's add like a quote in the middle. Let's say like don't quit or no pain, no gain, something like this. So let's go to text and search for like don't quit. And here it gives you like some text, some stuff like that. However, you can select the design itself, and then you can edit the text. So let's select a design. Okay, we want to select something like that represents like hard work. So let's say this one. Okay, drag and drop it right here. Okay, and then let's edit the positioning and the rotation a bit, and now double click. We want to delete this section, and here, or sorry, let's add it. So in the upper side, let's say no pain. Okay, let's expand it a bit, and here let's say no gain, and let's move it. Okay, let's ungroup them to move the no gain to the bottom here and move this one up. Okay, you can add some elements, some designs as you wish, and you can also edit the colors of these elements, like the silhouettes, the text color, the background color, and everything. So let's edit the color of the no gain. Let's make it, for example, like blue. Okay. Okay, this is looking good as it is. Now let's download this image. Let's like finish sharing this image to import it to Printify. To do so, you want to click on share here and then go to download. And here you want to make sure you are selecting the PNG in order to get a transparent background. So if you are printing it on like a colored t-shirt, this way it doesn't give you like a frame or so. It will print on with the background color will be whatever the shirt color is. So let's make sure to choose PNG as well as check transparent background. And the size, you do not want to go like pretty high because it will be a larger file size. So let's say like this is good enough. And now let's click on download. And it's being downloaded and it'll be downloaded to our download folder. Okay, pretty good. Now let's jump back to Printify and let's choose, for example, like this t-shirt. Here, if you click on it, we can see like the colors, all the prices, the variants and key features and stuff like that. So let's see here. Okay, let's start designing this shirt. Okay, and your design will go here. And this is the back side if you want to, so you can add a design on the front and on the back. So let's add a design from my device. It'll open up the download folder and I can choose like the design that I added or I created, sorry, in Canva. It'll be adding it into my library. Okay, and here is the design now added. You can like resize it. However, the like dashed area represents the area where your print is going to be. So make sure you do not expand it pretty much or it will go out of the borders of the print area. So let's relocate it inside the borders here to show all the elements. And you can also edit them manually with numbers like width, height, and scale, rotate, and everything. So this is looking pretty good in my opinion. You can also add a design on the back side. However, I will not do this. So you want to click here on Save Product. And once you do, it'll give you like some photos like here on a real shirt or on a person. Okay, looking pretty good. And you can also edit here the title and the description, and you can add size table to description so the customer knows which size to fit them. And here you can view all the pricing, the retail price, the profit, and you can add your own price, of course, to get like a profit margin. And all you can do right now, all that's remaining to do is to connect your store and start selling this item on your store. So it's how easy it is to like get a design on Canva or create a design on Canva and sell it on Printify or connecting it to a Printify store to add it on a Printify product.